If you're considering Mobile2b GmbH for your business, there are a few key things you need to know before making that decision. Mobile2b GmbH is a powerful tool that can streamline various business processes. But before you jump in, it's important to understand what it offers and how it stacks up against competitors. Stick with me through this video, and by the end, you'll know whether Mobile2b GmbH is the right choice for you. First things first, Mobile2b GmbH specializes in providing mobile marketing solutions, offering businesses a platform for managing SMS campaigns, push notifications, and mobile web content all in one place. This is an essential feature for businesses aiming to improve their customer engagement on mobile. Now, compared to other mobile marketing platforms, Mobile2b's user interface stands out with its intuitive design and ease of use, which makes it a top choice for users who might not be so tech-savvy, but still need powerful mobile marketing tools. Next thing you should know is about its integrations. Many businesses rely on multiple platforms, and Mobile2b GmbH makes it easy to integrate with a wide variety of systems like CRM, e-commerce, and email marketing platforms. While competitors offer similar integrations, Mobile2b GmbH stands out for offering deep, seamless connectivity with all major marketing tools, giving you more flexibility and control. This can save you a lot of time and money, as you don't have to jump between different platforms. The third thing is scalability. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, Mobile2b GmbH can grow with you. It's built to support both small-scale and high-volume campaigns, so if you're thinking about scaling up, you don't need to worry about outgrowing the platform. Compared to other solutions, Mobile2b provides a more customized approach to scaling, unlike some of its competitors that rely on a one-size-fits-all model. The fourth thing to consider is Mobile2b's reporting and analytics. Unlike some other mobile marketing platforms, it offers advanced, real-time analytics, giving you insight into campaign performance, customer behavior, and overall engagement. This data is essential for making data-driven decisions and optimizing your campaigns. Some competitors might offer basic reporting, but Mobile2b's depth in analytics is definitely a competitive advantage. Next up, pricing. Mobile2b GmbH offers a flexible pricing model, which means you only pay for what you need. Many competitors lock you into long-term contracts or charge steep fees for advanced features. But Mobile2b offers competitive pricing without locking you into rigid packages. This makes it a great choice for businesses that are looking for value and don't want to be stuck with unnecessary features or high costs. The sixth thing to know is customer support. Mobile2b GmbH has earned praise for its customer support team, providing fast, responsive assistance whenever needed. While many competitors might leave you hanging with slow or unhelpful customer service, Mobile2b prioritizes its users and ensures that you're never left in the dark, which is a huge plus. Lastly, there's the trial. Mobile2b GmbH offers a completely free trial, which is great for anyone who's unsure whether this software is the right fit for their business. You can test out all the features without any commitment, which is a rare offering compared to other platforms that only provide limited trials or require upfront payments. If you decide to go ahead with it after the trial, you'll also get some exclusive benefits. So if you want to try out Mobile2b GmbH, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for the software and unlock exclusive benefits. You'll have the chance to test it out firsthand and see if it's the right fit for your business.